Welcome everybody to CPP Tech Build Edition. You got CPU. All right, today we're actually gonna do the CPU. Now, if you look on the corner here, you'll see a triangle. Look for the triangle, it's pretty clear on your motherboard right there. AMD is the same way. This is actually Intel, but then on your CPU, focus. Hey, snap out of it. Look towards the TV. We're trying to focus here. Focus, darn it. There you go. It's actually right there. So what you're gonna do is line that up. Now be careful because these are all pins and you do not, I repeat, you do not want to bend them. So it should slide right in. There it goes. Right in there. Just like so. No pin vintage. Now you're gonna lower that. Now you see how that went? That's not what you want. You want this to go down underneath that. Now you're gonna have a lot of tension here. Oops, see I moved it. You're gonna have a lot of tension. Don't worry, you ain't gonna break it. Bring it over, clip it in, and you're done. So that's it for this one. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Check out the next one. It's RAM. You got RAM?